After over a month, Fifth Harmony's Normani Kordei has finally returned to Twitter for one amazing reason. She's back and announcing some pretty powerful news. After being forced to take a break from Twitter last month, Normani made her return to the social media site by revealing that she will be the Cybersmile Foundation's new diversity ambassador. Back in August, Normani wrote an open letter to fans saying that she has not just been cyberbullied, but that she's been racially cyberbullied, leading her to quit the site. So hearing that she is teaming up with a nonprofit that supports victims of online abuse, personally, I couldn't be happier. Announcing the news in her first tweet after several weeks, the 20-year-old is encouraging fans to use the hashtag #CybersmileStandsByMe and help put an end to the hate that we are all sick of seeing online. In the press release, Normani admits, "By working with Cybersmile, I want to raise awareness of the support that is available to people affected, while playing my part in contributing to a kinder and more positive internet for everybody." Thank you. The singer explained that she decided to make the announcement on her Twitter as a statement to never let anyone run you away, adding, "It's important to stand up to all forms of bullying, and it's even more important for those around you to be just as courageous and stand with you." Preach, girl. Even Cybersmile's CEO commented that having somebody with real-life experience of the damage that online abuse can do, combined with such a strong determination to make a difference, makes Normani a perfect addition to their team. So if you or someone that you know is experiencing hate online and you want to talk, send a tweet over to @AskCybersmile or check them out on cybersmile.org. All right, you guys, I want to know all your thoughts on Normani's return to Twitter, finally, and how she's embracing this new role. So get the convo going below, and then you can click here to watch the girls try a few weird face masks with Grace Helbig, of all people, on Beauty Break. And as always, be sure to subscribe to our channel. I'm Miriam Issa. Hit me up on Twitter @Miriam Issa or on Instagram @Miriam_Issa. Drop me a love note, and I'll see you guys next time.